Hello, welcome. This is TeenCoders and my name is Christy Mado. Our topic for today is algorithm. Have you ever been in a situation where your parent asks you to make noodles? You start thinking, what do I do first? What do I do second? What do I do next? Now the good thing is that you are thinking in step by steps, and that way you are able to use algorithm to solve your problem. Even your computer uses step by steps to solve a problem. We all use algorithm. Now, what is algorithm? Algorithm means the steps you follow to do something. What did I say? I said algorithm is the steps you follow to do something. Now let's take, for example, you are being told to make Indomie. What do? You first of all have to know the things that you would need, and then you need to know the things that come first and what comes next. Now those are the ways you use algorithm to solving a problem. If we have to make Indomie, we have to first of all identify the things we would need to make Indomie. Can someone tell me or give me things we need to make Indomie? Okay. All right. Can I get another example? Good. So, who said Indomie? Nice. Who said pots? That's very good. Who said water? Did anyone mention gas cooker? Nice. You did. That's very good. So, the next step, you need to know what comes first. If you have to carry your Indomie and you just put it on the fire, just like that, would that work? Good, that won't work. So you need to know that you put on the fire, then you put your pot and your water before you put your Indomie. You cover it and then you let it boil for 5 minutes. That way your noodles are ready. Nice. So now let's take another example of brushing your teeth. We all know our teeth should be healthy all the time, and it needs to look good, and it needs when we smile, our smiles are healthy. Can you smile for me? Good. So to brush your teeth, what do you need? Can someone tell me? I need the examples. Good. That's very lovely. You're not saying something. I need you to say something. Good. That's wonderful. So now let's take this together. You need a cup. Good. You need water. You need your toothbrush. And you need your toothpaste. That's very good. So now, do we just carry our toothbrush and just start brushing? Would that work? No. So you need to put your toothbrush to get wet, then you introduce your toothpaste before you start brushing, then you use your water to rinse your mouth. So who can tell me our topic for today? Good, algorithm. So who else can tell me what algorithm is? Nice. Algorithm simply means the steps you follow to do something. That's very good. So we're done with today's class. I hope you had fun. I had fun. So I'm going to drop an email below, and you're going to send your answers to the assignments right there. Using the algorithm method, I want you to tell me how you would toast the bread. And then secondly, I also want you to tell me how you dress up for school using the same algorithm method. And still using the same method, you would let me know how you clear up your toys after playing with them. I'll see you in the next class, and until then, keep using algorithm to solve your problems. So remember to subscribe below, like and comment. Thank you. And for more materials, visit our website at teencoders.com.ng. I hope to see you in the next class.